Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the color of your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the New Project button at the upper side of the screen and go to the plus icon at the lower left corner. Select the video and at the right side of the screen you can find the square icon under the emojis, and here go to the third option, the colors, and here you can set a background color of your video. And if you select a color, just click to the OK icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.